Yo, what's up y'all? Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Time Sleuth lag tester. You use it on LCD monitors and test your input lag or the display lag, the time between where, for example, your game console sends a video signal to your monitor and the time it takes for the monitor to display it. Something like this is something I've wanted for a long time. You know, I'm not really technologically savvy, but I'm very picky and nerdy about stuff like this. And display lag, definitely, I can definitely feel it. So I'm anxious to try this out. But first, let's unbox it. Okay. Just one piece of tape, and then I can open it. Okay. It's a little smaller than I expected it to be. Here is the device. I didn't get a case for it because you don't really need it. And I figured I'll just keep it in the box. I'll just keep it in this bag. But I do feel like I've got to be a little more careful because the PCB is exposed, so let's be a little gentler. This tape might get in the way. It's a little tight fit getting it out. It's the Time Sleuth 1.2A. Wonder if it'll focus. Probably not. You have your HDMI and your mini USB. It's not a micro. So I'm gonna need to figure out how this works. See you on the flip side. And right now it's testing at 480i. You just need to plug in the mini USB for power and the HDMI, and then you have to, you see this switch? You have you can see a number here, and the number corresponds to a different resolution, and you can change the resolution via this thing, but I don't have the hardware for this, so I'm hoping that it covers the resolutions I want, which is 720p and 1080p. Right now it's on dial 1, and that's 480i. So what you need to do is hold up the monitor to this these blinking white lights. You gotta this has to face the monitor. So if I do this, numbers don't change. But if I do this, you see the numbers change. So currently it's only about 3 or 4 milliseconds up here. And then you go over here, it's 10 milliseconds. And then you go over here, it's 17. So it's interesting how different parts of the monitor have different display lags. So the top seems to be the quickest. Now let's change resolutions. So I changed the dial to the 2. Now it's 480p. This is a common resolution. It's really fast up here. How about here? 10. That's still pretty damn good. Here, it's about the same, 17. Now let's try the next resolution, which is 720p. Good. I like how all the resolutions seem consistent. This is a little slower than 480p, 11 or 12 milliseconds. How about this one? About 17 or 18. Now let's try another one. This is 1080i. This is not a resolution I commonly use. About 3 or 2. About 11. And about 18. So nothing surprising there. I'm glad all the resolutions I want are already programmed into the thing, so I don't need to program this thing. Here's, yeah, 4.5, even 5. Well, it's getting pretty high. 6. What's going on here? 1080p. Oh, about 10.5. About 17. Now I'm going to try a different monitor now. This is another monitor. It's my old Vizio from like 2010 or 2011. And I have a feeling that it's pretty bad. So let's check it out. Here is... It's not working. Let's try a different resolution. Okay. For some reason it couldn't record 480i. Wow, look at this. And this is actually in game mode. 28 milliseconds. So for reference, one frame at 60 frames per second is about 16.6 repeating milliseconds. So this is almost 2 frames of lag. Let's check out the middle. It's even worse. 33, 34. Let's check out the bottom. 43. Wow. Okay, let's check out another resolution. Oh yes. This is 720p. About the same, 26, 27. 33. Wait, what? Are you seeing this? What's going on? 1? 0? Wow. I'm really shocked actually. 1 millisecond. What the heck? Let's check out the bottom. Okay, 39. So, wow, this is incredible. So if you're gaming at 720p on this monitor and all your graphic information is over here, you could do really well with this monitor. Better than my ASUS, which was my first monitor. Let's check out 1080i. I feel like, okay. Wow. That's crazy. Wow, I did not expect this. It's so low. Let's check out the middle. Wow, holy crap. Let's check out the bottom. Bottom, I'm not getting a reading. Okay. Wow, 76. That's a drastic difference. Let's see if 1080p is as good as 720p, which is pretty incredible. 25. 28. Wow. So 720p is the winner here. And 1080i was awesome too. Oh, 0? Wow. So if all your game information is down here, you'll do pretty well. But most of it's in the middle, so wow, that's a lot. Let's turn this off. Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this. I'm very satisfied. I've always wanted to know how much lag comes, how much lag there is on TVs and monitors. And, I think there was another device before this, but from what I've read, this is superior in every way. So I'm glad I got it. It's not cheap, it's $80. But if you're a nerd like me, then you might consider getting this. You can buy a case for it for $15 when you buy it. You could buy it through the original website or through Castlemania Games. I got it from the original website. I'll leave all the information in the description below. So yeah, this is kind of fun. I'll probably get another monitor when PS5 and Xbox 4 hits. I don't know if I'll get those, but I probably will. I'm a sucker like everyone else. If they make great games for it, then I'll want to get it. So I hope you've all enjoyed this new video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.